Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science School. Today I will discuss about the differences between Numpy and Pandas, why we need Pandas, where we can analyze and work with data with Numpy libraries. So first of all, I need to import Numpy and Pandas, both libraries. Then I will create one Numpy array N and one Pandas series S. So you can see here Numpy array N and Pandas series S. So you can call any values from Numpy array N or Pandas series S by mentioning the value number here. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3 is the apple. So you can call apple by running the command n3, and similarly you can get the apple from Pandas series also. So what is the main difference between Pandas series and Numpy array is actually you can assign the index for Pandas series. Here you can see in the previous Pandas series as we had indexes 0, 1, 2, 3. Now I have assigned new index 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it has new index. So you need to mention the new index number to call apple again. So S4 will generate apple. You can reorder the index, or you can use like access text instead of I should say string instead of numeric value for index. So you can see here instead of 2 we can get like B for the index. So what is the difference between Pandas and Numpy? First difference is in Pandas series you can add indexes. Manipulation of indexes is possible in Pandas, but you cannot manipulate or you cannot assign indexes in Numpy array. What is the difference number 2? Let's create the Numpy array and again. So you can add Numpy array two values of Numpy array, for example n1 and n2. You will get 23 as a string because Numpy array cannot distinguish two different data types in the same array. So if we create a Pandas series and if we want to get S1 plus S2, you will get the summation of S1 and S2. So this is the second difference between Numpy array and Pandas series, that you can assign different data type in Pandas series in a single column, but you cannot assign different data type in Numpy array. What is the third difference between Numpy array and Pandas series? So let's create two Numpy array N1 and N2. So these are the two Numpy array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5, 6, 7. If you want to add those Numpy arrays, you will get an error message because for index 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 you have missing values in N2. But if you want to do that in Pandas series, let me create the two different Pandas series S1 and S2. So Pandas series S1 plus S2 will generate the summation and will return non values for 3 and 4. So these are the three differences we have for Numpy and Pandas series. If you know any more differences, please mention in the comment section and stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you so much.